Am I sounding right?
I thought you were already recording.
Uber tech moves the world. So the world asked our tech colleagues in Bengaluru what moves them.
When did you know you wanted to work in tech?
When I was very little, I used to watch that backyard science that used to go on the net.
I have naturally been very inclined towards numbers.
I have an elder brother. He got our first computer. I decided I'm going to stick to computers for the rest of my life.
Why did you choose to work for Uber?
There is a lot of autonomy in being able to drive the vision.
You can experience everything over here.
I really wanted to experience the fast-paced consumer, industry.
True disruptor of sorts, right? Who would think that at some point in life you could call a taxi from an app?
What kind of impact does Uber Tech in Bengaluru have?
I design systems and I design people's career in some ways.
My team builds the support platforms which power all of the support experiences globally. It is 70 countries and counting.
So in all these 70 countries, all that right data comes to the data platform. A lot of the critical backbone infrastructure components like Kafka, HDFS, Yarn, these are systems that are being innovated, is being driven out of the Bangalore office.
From a tech perspective, we leverage the best of GenAI products in the market.
And when you see the changes like affecting millions of rides and customers, that's when you feel that power.
What does it take to work at that scale?
You need to have that open mind to accept all possibilities.
We are looking for people who are hungry to make an impact.
And you have to continuously upgrade yourself.
It's grit, transparency and honesty.
You're just not staying still.
It's not an app. You're changing lives.
I think my inner Uber would be
Moving the world.